Well, I got me another Tamiya. Well, I don't know what it is right now, but I'm kind of on a Tamiya kick. So I went ahead and got this Neo Fighter buggy. Actually, I got other parts for it too. I got the Holmes Hobby Retro Sport 19 turn motor for it. I got the turnbuckle kit set for it, bearings, and the carbon fiber shock towers. I do have some aluminum wheels for it coming for it. They should be here tomorrow or the next day. But this one also comes with a Hobby Wing ESC and also has the oil-filled shocks. So I'm looking forward to this build. If I can get the cover off here. There we go. But yeah, this one's going to be fun. I'm excited about it. I'm not going to do it on camera. I'll get it built. And then we will go over it, do speed runs, do the usual stuff with it. I'm painting it similar to the box colors, which you'll see what it looks like in the thumbnail. So you already know what it looks like. But anyway, let me get started on this thing, and then the next scene you'll see is the finished product. Alright, it's all wrapped up and done. I think the aluminum wheels make this thing look great. And I use Traxxas chrome paint. Kind of looks like a brushed aluminum, but I use the chrome paint for the body and the wing. So I think that really goes with the wheels very well. And then Tamiya PS3 for the blue for the lower part here. And of course I put the carbon fiber shock towers on it. I got the turnbuckle kit for it, but forgot to even put it on. Didn't even mess with it. So, but I got everything lined up, looking good. So I'll run it like this for now. If I wanted to change it out, I'll do that later on. If not, I can use that for another kit or something like that. Now I got the Hex Fly servo in it. I think it's out of one of my Red Cats. And then the Hobby Wing ESC that it came with, which I put my own XT connector on it. My radio link receiver. And then of course the Holmes Hobby 19 turn 540 can motor. Put that in, and I got it on a 19 tooth pinion, so we'll see what it does. It won't be fast, but we'll see what it's going to do. But I'm very happy with this build. So we're going to go run it, go do a speed run on it, go hunt it around a little bit, and then we'll just see how well it does. Alright. Picking up, yeah. Let's see what that was. All right, 21 miles an hour. that was a fun little build and fun to play with. I'm really happy with it. Pretty much I just built like a slower version of my Traxxas Bandit, but I'm happy with 21 miles an hour. Hell, it ran perfectly. I'm very happy with that. So that being said, I got another one in the works. But this one's the 4-wheel drive version, so I am going to build this one next, but I'm going to have it match my Neo Fighter. So same paint scheme. I have aluminum wheels for it also. So y'all be sure to stay tuned for that. Well, I appreciate everyone watching, and y'all be good and take care.